Hi friends. Hi friends. Today today I'm going to explain an idiom. Today's idiom is call on someone to speak. So call on someone to speak. Right, so that's the idiom. Let's see the explanation. The explanation is to ask someone to speak. So that's the meaning. To ask someone to speak, or to give someone permission to speak at a meeting. Okay. So let me repeat it. To ask someone to speak. To ask someone to speak, or to give someone permission to speak at a meeting. Right. So that's the explanation for this idiom. So in a scenario like when you ask someone to speak, you can make use of this idiom. Also in a scenario like you would like to give permission to speak at a meeting, you would like to give someone permission to speak at a meeting, then you can make use of this idiom. Right. So let's see the example. The first example is the chairman called on me to speak at the meeting. So let me repeat. The chairman called on me to speak at the meeting. So here the chairman. So there is a meeting that there is a meeting in an office. All right. So there is a meeting take place in an office. So the chairman who leads the meeting, so he asked someone. He asked me to speak at the meeting. So the chairman asked me to speak at the meeting. So that can be expressed using this idiom. The chairman called on me to speak at the meeting. All right. So let's see one more example. The second example, the company owner called on the public relation officer to speak at the press meet. Alright, so the company owner, or you can say proprietor, so the company proprietor, so proprietor, it means the owner, right? So the company proprietor call on the public relation officer. So the acronym, the abbreviation is PRO. The company proprietor call on the public relation officer to speak at the press meet. So you can see the company proprietor call on the public relation officer to speak at the press meet. All right. So here I have used the call on. So the meaning is the company proprietor the company proprietor give the public relation officer. The company proprietor give the public relation officer to the company proprietor give permission. Okay. So here here one more word should come, permission. Okay, fine. Now you can see the company proprietor call on the public relation officer I just keyed in this word just to make you understand. Alright, the company proprietor give the public relation officer permission to speak on the press meet. So it can be expressed this way. So it can be expressed, the company proprietor call on the public relation officer PRO to speak at the press meet. Alright, I believe so this example already we have seen. Okay, so I believe we got to know a new idiom in this session named, the idiom is call on someone to speak. Okay, so it means to ask someone to speak or to give someone permission to speak at a meeting. Okay, alright, so let me catch you with other topics or idioms or jokes in the upcoming session. Please do subscribe to the channel Universe Explorer and click on the bell icon to get notified on new post. Thanks for watching. Bye.